In the previous two episodes, the students gave two different interpretations for log base 3 of 10 in the moldy pizza context. The first was the hour at which the moldy pizza had 10 grams of mold. The second was the number of hours it took for the amount of mold to increase by a factor of 10. In this episode, they explore another moldy food. Harry has a moldy peanut butter sandwich. Just like the pizza at time x equals 0, his peanut butter sandwich had 1 gram of mold. However, his mold increased by a factor of 4 each hour instead of 3. In this episode, the students will find the hour at which Harry's peanut butter sandwich had 200 grams of mold. Before watching the video, try to write a logarithmic expression that gives this time. What interpretation of logs are you using? What is this logarithm approximately equal to? Josh begins to answer these questions by writing the equation that gives the amount of mold at any time.
So what have you written, Josh?
This is Harry's equation because it's on Harry's line.
And can you tell me what the equations mean?
This is the starting height. No, I mean starting weight.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is the
Starting
growth. Wait, what?
Oh yeah, growth factor. Yeah.
Yeah, growth factor. And then
I wasn't even looking at what
this is the and then this is the amount of time passed, and then this is like the growth factor over X hours, or like the end.
Mm-hmm.
And so what are you looking for? We're
trying to find X. So you make and you don't need the 1 because it's just 1, and so then you like get rid of it, and then
you can rewrite these as log.
Can you write an expression that's going to be your answer?
Okay, so this is Harry's equation.
You mean an expression.
So this is Harry's.
Can you use the definition of log that we've had to say why that is what it is in the context?
This we said that this is equal to x, then we saw that 4 to the x is equal to 200. So 4 to this is equal to 200 also. That's why we know without this is x.
So
this is like the definition of log, because like this is the base, and this whole thing is like the exponent, and this is the answer in the like the exponential thing.
And so what does it mean in the context of the problem, log base 4 of 200? What does that exponent mean?
This exponent is the number of hours it takes for Harry to get to 200 grams of mold.
Okay, that was a great explanation. I really appreciated that.
Are we going to actually calculate it?
We are.
So what was our first one? 4?
Enter.
Okay, is this 3.8, is that kind of what you were expecting? Is that a reasonable number?
Yeah.
It is.
Can you label the 3.82 on the timeline somewhere?
Yes, it is like right here maybe. Okay, 3.82, and it's about 200.
In this episode, the students found how long it took for Harry's sandwich to grow 200 grams of mold. Since the mold on his peanut butter sandwich increased by a factor of 4 each hour, they needed to find the exponent, x, that 4 was raised to get 200. This is log base 4 of 200. They used a calculator to find the numerical value of this logarithm, which is about 3.82, and marked this value on their number line. In the next episode, the students will explore how long it takes for the amount of mold on Harry's peanut butter sandwich to increase by a factor of 20.